Feeling tired all the time isn't just frustrating. It's often a sign that something in your daily routine isn't working. Many people assume fatigue is normal, but persistent low energy usually has identifiable and fixable causes. One of the most overlooked factors is sleep quantity. Most adults require around 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Yet a large portion of people consistently get less than 6, which significantly impacts energy and cognitive function. Chronic sleep restriction doesn't just make you feel tired, it reduces focus, slows reaction time, and affects decision-making. Over time, this can feel like constant mental fog, even if you think you've adjusted to less sleep. Equally important is sleep quality. You might spend enough time in bed but still wake up tired if your sleep is fragmented or shallow. Frequent awakenings, stress, or environmental disturbances can prevent restorative sleep cycles. Your body operates on a natural internal clock known as the circadian rhythm. When your sleep schedule doesn't align with this rhythm, it becomes harder to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed, even if total sleep time seems adequate. Another major contributor to fatigue is physical inactivity. While it may seem counterintuitive, moving less actually leads to lower energy levels. A sedentary lifestyle reduces efficiency in how your body produces and uses energy. Regular movement, even light activity like walking, improves circulation, supports cellular energy production, and enhances overall alertness. Over time, consistent activity raises your baseline energy levels throughout the day. Stress is another key factor that drains energy. Highly processed foods and excess sugar can cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar, leading to cycles of temporary energy followed by noticeable fatigue. On the other hand, balanced meals that include whole foods, protein, and healthy fats help maintain stable energy levels. Consistent nutrition supports the body's ability to produce and sustain energy efficiently. Hydration is often underestimated when it comes to energy. Even mild dehydration can cause fatigue, reduce focus, and impair physical performance. Drinking water consistently throughout the day helps your body function optimally. Caffeine can be useful in moderation, but timing is crucial. Consuming caffeine too late in the day can interfere with sleep quality, making it harder to fall asleep and reducing overall restfulness. Alcohol also affects energy indirectly. While it may help you fall asleep initially, it disrupts REM sleep and leads to lighter, less restorative sleep, leaving you more tired the next day. Your environment impacts how well you sleep. Factors like light exposure, room temperature, and noise can all interfere with rest. A dark, cool, and quiet space promotes deeper, more restorative sleep cycles. Technology before bed is another common disruptor. Screens emit blue light, which can trick the brain into thinking it's daytime. Limiting device use in the hour before sleep improves melatonin production and sleep quality. Exercise is one of the most effective long-term solutions for chronic fatigue. Both resistance training and cardiovascular activity improve energy metabolism, enhance circulation, and support healthy sleep patterns. It's important to note that exercise timing matters. Exercising too close to bedtime can increase body temperature and alertness, making it harder to fall asleep. Morning or afternoon sessions are generally best. Mental health plays a significant role in energy levels. Conditions like depression or anxiety can contribute to persistent fatigue. Addressing mental well-being through therapy, mindfulness, or relaxation techniques can restore vitality. Napping can be beneficial if used strategically. Short naps of 20 to 30 minutes improve alertness and cognitive performance without interfering with nighttime sleep, while longer naps may disrupt sleep schedules. Finally, consistency is key. Maintaining regular sleep and wake times, balanced meals, and structured daily activity helps regulate the body's internal clock and supports sustained energy throughout the day. It's also important to consider your micronutrient intake. Deficiencies in iron, vitamin D, magnesium, or B vitamins can contribute to fatigue. A balanced diet or targeted supplementation when necessary can help restore energy levels. Hormonal imbalances are another factor. Thyroid issues, low testosterone, or changes in adrenal function can lead to persistent tiredness. If lifestyle adjustments aren't enough, discussing testing with a healthcare professional is recommended. Skipping meals or eating irregularly can trigger fatigue. Structured meals and healthy snacks provide the body with a steady supply of nutrients to maintain focus and energy. Stress management techniques, such as mindfulness, meditation, or breathing exercises, are effective ways to reduce chronic cortisol levels. Even 5 to 10 minutes per day can improve mental clarity and energy over time. Exposure to natural light during the day enhances the circadian rhythm, supporting better sleep at night. Step outside for 20 to 30 minutes in the morning, or near a window if outdoor access is limited. Creating an evening routine is equally important. Activities like reading, stretching, or light journaling signal your body that it's time to wind down, improving both sleep onset and quality. Avoiding heavy meals and stimulants close to bedtime helps the body transition naturally to rest. Digestion and alertness both interfere with sleep when food or caffeine is consumed late in the evening. Regular physical activity, even small changes like standing while working or taking brief walking breaks, supports mitochondrial function in cells, increasing overall energy efficiency. Feeling tired all the time is not something you have to accept as normal. In most cases, it is the result of daily habits, poor sleep quality, or imbalances that can be identified and improved. Energy is built through consistency. Small actions like improving sleep, staying hydrated, moving regularly, and managing stress may seem simple, but together they create a powerful long-term effect. Sleep remains the foundation. Prioritizing both quantity and quality of sleep allows your body to recover, regulate hormones, and restore the energy needed for daily performance. Nutrition plays an equally important role. Choosing whole, balanced meals helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, preventing the spikes and crashes that often lead to fatigue. Regular physical activity supports both physical and mental energy. Even light movement throughout the day improves circulation, enhances focus, and increases overall stamina. Managing stress is essential for sustained energy. Reducing chronic stress lowers cortisol levels, improves sleep quality, and allows your body to function more efficiently. Hydration, environment, and daily routines also contribute. When these factors are optimized, your body's better able to maintain consistent energy throughout the day. If you continue to feel exhausted despite making these changes, it's important to seek professional advice. Underlying medical conditions may require proper diagnosis and treatment. Start simple. Choose one habit today, whether it's going to bed earlier, drinking more water, or taking a short walk, and build from there step by step. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more science-based health content designed to help you feel better, think clearer, and live with more energy every day.